We took a 36 or so mile meandering stream and we turned it into about a 24-mile channel. We made it wider, we built some banks up, we built it deeper so that we had more capacity to move more water out in the event that we had big rainfall events without flooding.
The flow is very minimal, around 30 CFS, so there may be some standing pools of water to paddle down, but it's not the most desirable place to go paddling. It's a man-made canal, and so they made structures to hold back water to be able to have flow and for farmers to be able to access irrigation. So the idea of the canal wasn't initially designed for recreation, it was meant for other uses. Low-head dams are a feature. Its sole purpose is to hold back water for various reasons. One thing it doesn't do well is to be able to navigate it safely. The one behind us now is fairly calm looking, but as water increases the flow, those become very dangerous. One of the reasons is the uniform nature of it, and what happens is water doesn't have a way. Once it goes over, it backfills, and there's no way to essentially escape. Always wear your personal flotation device when you're in a boat of any kind. Let people know where you're going. Know what hazards are coming your way. Do your research and ask questions, and when in doubt, get out and scout, because coming up on a low-head dam would be life-threatening.
There's an awful lot of material available. There are books available that talk about even the hazards here on the lower Long Tom. And you know, it's incumbent upon anybody choosing that adventure to choose wisely and to do all you can do to be aware of the hazards and to be safe.